Hello and welcome to Retail Trading Realities live stream. I'm just going to go over some of our expert advisors that we sell on momentumtrend.com and also mql5.com. I'll be doing this daily at the New York session. We'll also be going through different markets. I must apologize for being late. Everyone in the Telegram chat that I would be here at 2:30 is 2:53. I don't like being late myself. And what you're looking at right now is a portfolio of strategies from the Momentum Trend Expert Advisor. And right now, we've got 5 symbols on. We've got Tesla, Meta, gold, and yen on. And we currently have a unrealized profit of 4,000 US dollars. So we don't really count that as profit until it's actually realized, because one thing with the Momentum Trend Expert Advisor is that it has a low hit rate of 20%. So it loses 80% of the time. So when you see these floating profits, it's not really a time to get excited. Like many times with trend following, you'll see realized profit, and that realized profit will dwindle into nothing. So trend following is very frustrating in that regard, but in the long run, trend following is very profitable. So right now I'm looking at the Forex factory calendar, and Flash manufacturing has just been released about 10 minutes ago, so I was watching that, and it has affected our trades that we was in, so which I am pleased, because some of my trades were quite close to their stop losses. But because this is algorithmic trading, I mean, I shouldn't care about the news too much anyway, because you're meant to leave it 100% up to the algorithms. And this algo here is the GPT-4 Raw Dog, and this is a brand new expert advisor. It's still in its testing stage. And how it works, it analyzes news articles and stock information such as key financials such as the income statement and the balance sheet and the cash flow statement. It also looks at screenshots from the daily chart as well for each stock. And GPT-4, well, GPT-4o Mini, it decides whether to buy, sell, or to close all the trades, or to stay flat. And that's how that works. And this box here, where it says US Tech 100, this is the analysis from the database. So it says US Tech 100 rated earlier today at 1 o'clock in the morning roughly, so 24th of January, and it gives a little summary there, and the summary is about 250 characters. So when I push down on that button there, the analysis scrolls down. Now my computer is acting quite slow because I am live streaming, so it's using up a lot of CPU resources. So usually when I press the down or the up button here, it moves very quickly. But really, or the summary from Chat GTP isn't really that important. What we really want is the sentiment, which is this last word here. So it says bullish. So bullish is a buy. And let's see. So yeah, US tech, we got a buy. We got a buy trade that was made about a week ago on the 17th. And currently this is my only like signal or account that is actually that has a loss. So I think we're at a loss of 3%, but we'll look at all the accounts later on in the stream. Let's see how much we got on here. Okay, so we've got 209 floating, but really and truly we can't really count anything until it's realized as profit. So this is unrealized profit. Okay, moving on. Look at some more accounts. So this is one server. I've got multiple servers. I've got about 6 servers, but I'll probably only show you about 3 or 4 of them today because I don't want to bore you with all the detail. But I'm going to show you some other of our expert advisors as well, and some more markets, more time frames as well. And what you're seeing here is a VPS, a virtual private server. So all of my algorithms are running on a VPS and not on my PC. So this account here is running the momentum trend expert advisor as well, but on a higher risk setting. And I call this the balls to the walls challenge. And balls to the walls just means using a lot of risks. And the whole point of the challenge, I'm trying to turn 10,000 into $1 million. I'm trying to 100x my capital. And I'm very confident that I can do it. So if you see one of our previous videos, there's a back test that goes from 5,000 US dollars to 35 million US dollars in 6 years. And that is a real tick back test. And what this balls to the walls challenge is trying to do that back test for real. So that's why I call it the balls to the walls challenge, because I'm using maximum risk and I'm trying to flip it 100 times. And it's looking okay at the moment. So we got 3,000 US dollars real unrealized profit, and the equity is at 20,000. So that would be, I think that would be like a 50% return, because I think this account started with 14,000 actually, not actually the 10,000. I ended up putting in an extra 4,000 as well into this account. So moving on, this is a FTMO account. So this is a, sorry, not FTMO account. This is an FTMO challenge, and it's a 200,000, and we're currently 5%, 210,000. So we're halfway through, and obviously we've got this unrealized profit of 6,700, 6,600, and we're trading 5 symbols. So that is the NDX, or US 100 cash index, Tesla, Microsoft, Meta, and gold, and we have them on multiple time frames. Yeah, so like that's looking groovy. I'm going to show you, oh yeah, and I'm running the momentum trend expert advisor on the FTMO account, and it looks like it's working well, so fingers crossed. But these challenges, these prop firm challenges, are very difficult to pass. I think only like 2% of people pass these challenges, or 2% of challenges bought at. Okay, so I'm going to open up another server now. And this is a new expert advisor as well. This one is the GPT version of Momentum Trend. So it's the Momentum Trend expert advisor with a GPT-4o mini filter. And it looks at news articles, screenshots, and stocks, key financials such as the income statement and balance sheet and the cash flow statement. So yeah, that's that. And we're currently in a, so yeah, the account is currently up. So it started with 100,000 US dollars. This is a Darwin X account, Darwin X Zero, and it doesn't take as many trades as the original Momentum Trend expert advisor. This is the GPT-4 edition of that. Look at that. And this expert advisor is our best performing expert advisor. It currently took profit today with gold, and we're up 78%. And it has a win rate of 90% so far, but we're expecting a win rate of 78% in the long run. And so far, we've only had a drawdown of 19%. So 19% drawdown, and we're currently up 78%. So if you check the description of this video, I've provided all links, so all links to all the advisors, and also my FX book, and also the accounts on mql5.com. So like you can check out our statistics 24/7. Let's see that gold trade. So we had a gold trade that closed out a few hours ago. So let's check the history. Here we go. So yeah, today we took profit. We took about 1,200 US dollars profit today. You can see with these blue lines, these blue diagonal lines going up, that means that these were profitable long trades. You can see it here. Let's take a look at the dollar yen trades that are on at the moment. I've got a lot of them on at the moment. So, yeah, this area of support looks interesting where the candles are wicking. So if you're manually trading, I would look at this area and this area here as well. A significant area of interest. 153 level. 153.0 to 1.35 1.5 sorry 153.20 between that level. So you might want to buy off those levels. I'm expecting the dollar to be strong under Trump. All the protectionism that he's bringing into his administration, I expect that to strengthen the US dollar. So I think the carry trade is back on with the yen. Just going to open the last server that I'm going to show you today. It's a crypto portfolio, altcoins. And these are all live accounts I'm showing you, so I haven't shown you any demo accounts. Okay, so yeah, so this account trades altcoins. It doesn't trade Bitcoin. So you see Bitcoin on here, but Bitcoin's not being traded this year. And it's using the Momentum Trend Expert Advisor. I've decided when I am running the Momentum Trend Expert Advisor on crypto, I will use altcoins, but I won't include Bitcoin. So that's ETH, Chainlink, Solana, Polkadot, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Yeah, this algorithm works really well on Ethereum. The Momentum Trend Expert Advisor, in fact, were Ethereum, gold, and the dollar yen. They had the best back tests and best forward tests. While we're here, don't forget to sign up to the Retail Trading Realities Telegram. And I'll show you what's inside that Telegram. Okay, so we're inside the Retail Trading Realities Telegram. And what I've got multiple strategies and multiple expert advisors, and I've attached Telegram bots to these strategies. So every time a trade is triggered or closed, shot straight to this Telegram group. And right now, my PC is acting really slow because I'm streaming, but usually it's a lot faster. So as you can see, these screenshots were sent automatically from MetaTrader 5 to Telegram. So for example, earlier on in this stream, I showed you some gold profit. I can show you them inside here. We're $1,000 profit.